Look at all my burbs. Although one of the grackles is mean. Oh, here comes the mean one. Jesus. Fuck. He's so mean, watch him. He's such an asshole. Like, look at him. That's the rest of the grackles. I thought the asshole mockingbird was coming. Hey guys, I watched you grow up. Can you not be such dicks? My favorite is Gang Gang. They're still up on the roof here. Sorry. I said that right in front of the grackles. Whoops. But I feel like I did raise Gang Gang. Sorry, Gang Gang. That one's pissed. He's so mad. Oh, there's, Mommy Robin. She had babies, but I don't know what happened to them, which makes me sad. Her nest is literally, like, in my house. Or on my house, not in my house. Jeez. Did they pick up a third? What? They picked up another grackle? What? There's Mommy. Hi, Mommy. How you doing today? Don't worry, I'll put out more food after these little vultures eat it. They chase the other birds away, though. But they're not as bad as the other one. The mockingbird. Her babies must have grown up or something. She hasn't been chasing people away for like a few days. I'm gonna learn how to hand feed them one day. I can sit on the ground and Gang Gang will come, but I don't think the grackles or the robin will come. Boy. They'll be back. Oh, there's one still sitting up there. Hi, little guy. How you doing? Oh, there! I just saw the freaking mean one. Oh shit, you guys better be careful. Is that why they all left? That's not the mean one. It went behind the garage. Oh no. That must have been why the whole gang left. It doesn't even eat this food though. It eats the cat food out front. Can you believe that? It's too badass to eat the bird food. It eats the cat's food out front. Scares the cats away. There's a literal video of it scaring the cat away. Like, it's just too badass, I guess. So it scares all the birds away from their food for no reason. It's so rude. Alright, be safe, little guy. Bye.